What's up, guys? Your boy H1's back with another video. Today I'm playing some more Roblox Phantom Forces today, and I'm not with my friend today. But it's alright, it's all cool in the neighborhood. It's all cool. So where's today, Phantom Forces? Where's the figure today? Alright, so yeah, gang. Like who cares? Like, I don't really need him anyway. Like, do you know how long I've been playing with this dude, bruh? Like, I've been playing with this dude for a long time. And now, all of a sudden, he was like, oh yeah, I'm playing with my new friend. Just met him on Fortnite, bro. I don't play Fortnite no more. I'm sorry. I'll play on I said PC. I'm gonna say PC, but no, I'm not playing on PC. I'll play on freaking PS4. But yeah, guys, let's get right into the video. Let's go. Right with the second sauce. Alright, let's get some Phantom Forces, bro.
I hope Jordy doesn't mind.
Alright, what the sauce? Alright, let's get it, guys. Let's get it. I can't snipe for nothing. This is my life, so yeah, we're about to roll in the running game right now. Oh god, I think we won. If I get a couple more kills, yeah, I think we won. Possibility that we won. Possibility not we won. To be honest with y'all. Who's shooting me, bruh? Where the freak y'all do? Oh, you up there? I had to do it to you, buddy. Yeah, you suck. I'm sorry. You do. To be honest, I suck too, but not just that bad. That dude had the KSG. Don't try to sneak up. Oh, okay. Yo, I could have hit on that if I didn't reload. This guy going on the killing spree right now. Yeah, so I was killing right there. Yeah. Yo, where he at, cuz? I don't see him. Where he at, shorty? I told him. Comments. Oh, he dead. I didn't even see him. I would have died. Yeah, I'm right. No, I'm going the wrong way anyway. I need to be going this way. There's gotta be dudes up here. Oh, behind us. I think he's doing a knife only challenge, possibly. Hello, buddy. That's what I do too. Oh, shoot. I died by this gun right here. Yeah, guys, I'm just doing a regular gameplay. You know. Just a regular gameplay. Like, yo, I'll just be recording, bro. I don't even, sometimes I just want to start recording and not even know what the video is going to be about, though. To be honest. I could, make a video of something cool happening. I'm never to do that. Every time I get done recording a video, it's like, dang, bro, I just did this cool thing. I could have been recording. This dude had to, okay, why do you have a, okay, meme. The memes. Oh, it just bounced 3 times, sir. Oh, okay. Solid 5. Solid 5. Like, this game is pretty fresh, though, but I wouldn't play it a lot. I recommend it, but I like the game. Like, but dude, yeah. Who's shooting? You. Like, the dudes that play this game, they super good at it, and I suck. Yo, I might die. Oh shoot, I might die. I had to do it to him. I don't know why I had to sneak up behind him. Let's go. I think it's Mr. AFK up here in the building. Yo, didn't I just shoot him like 3 times? Alright, I'm good. I'm bugging, bro. Alright. About to do lit stuff, you know what I'm saying? You know, this, if y'all want to recommend some comments, like, and I hate this one dude, bro. I hate the hate comments, bro. Like, you just stop with the hate comments, bro. Cause, like, I'm not suicidal, but other people suicidal over there. When they working their butts off just to play these games for other people. To show them to have a dream. They trying to pursue a dream right now, bro. And you just ruining the dream, bro, by this hate comments, bro. Stop the hate comments right now, bro. Like, please stop the hate comments, bro. It's getting annoying for me, bro. I, like, hate it. Mad annoying, bro. Like, it's mad rude, too. Please, like, yeah, stop that hate comments. Oh, so I'm dead. This dude's on the floor, bro. Where the freak he at? Oh, I don't want to reload right in front of a battle. But you know I had to. And please, whoever that dude is who posted hate comments on my shit, like, please stop. I don't mean to cuss. Like, you keep saying with the bullcrap hate comments, bro. And it's mad annoying. I'm dead. Like, bro, please stop it. Like you starting like every time I start playing, cause one time I posted a video on accident that it was sideways. I forgot that it was gonna be sideways. I didn't know it was gonna be sideways, so you know, I'm sorry for all you dudes that like hate comments and shit, bro. That shit, man. Oh, they're up there and stuff. Posted up there. Oh shoot! Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh yeah. So yeah, please stop with the hate comment. Please, just please. Oh, I got a double laser sight. So this. Please stop with hate comments. Hate comments annoying. So yeah. Look, let me tell you little something about myself. My real name is Kyrese. Stuff, last name Anderson, Kyrese Anderson. And stuff, yeah. So yeah. And I'm 12 years old. And then I'm trying to pursue my dream of being a famous YouTuber and some stuff and stuff. Yo, how the freak did I die? B90. Oh, they're above ground, I think, or hot above ground or some stuff. I take. Okay, I know how to kill somebody. Oh yeah, he was ready. He was ready. You already know he was ready. Come on, bro. How? I spawned out of the water. Thanks. Cool kids, man. I'm just trying to pursue my dream of being a famous YouTuber and stuff. And I hate, like, again, I hate the hate comments, bro. Like, please stop that. That nonsense, bro. Nonsense is done. Why you gotta hate comment on somebody's stuff? Like, dude called me a noob, right? Dude called me a noob, but he got no videos on his stuff. Alright, okay. At least I'm making videos. Dude's over here calling me noobs with no subscribers. No subscribers. Alright, okay. I'm a noob. Okay. Like, dudes that... Like, these dudes over here... Like... He can cyberbully. Like, they cyberbully for no reason. Nobody did nothing to them. Nothing to that dude. A little bitty bit with no chaser. Yeah, so, know a little bit about myself now. Oh, that was horrible. Oh. Did I get an assist? Yay. I just want all the kills right now, bruh. How many kills do I got anyway? 16 kills? 17? How you doing, buddy? 18. 18. 18. Oh shoot, jump on this parkour style. Oh yeah, I'm not going all the way up there. Wow. They had it for 2 seconds. My highest kill game is probably gonna be how many kills I get on this one right now. To be honest, I don't even know. Oh shoot, where you? Car PDW. I messed up. I goofed up. Oh guys, 20 kills, 13 deaths. You already know what I'm saying. We out here. Oh shoot, who's shooting behind me? Oh shoot, please don't come behind me and shoot me, Mr. Oh look, you know you must see what's coming. Let's go, baby. Oh yes. The PPSH, yes. Yeah, this gun up. Machine, bruh. See how good it is. Oh my god, bruh. This gun is a freaking monster. How do I get 14 health? But sorry, good guys. Yeah, so yeah, you already know what's about me. So yeah, y'all know what I look like already. If some of y'all don't, please go watch my old videos. Like my videos, please. No more hate comments, and peace out. Peace.